Hi, sweet family. Welcome. Welcome to Sweet Annie's Kitchen. If you are here for the first time, welcome. Welcome to the family. If you're returning, welcome back. Today, we are going to make some honey barbecue chicken. Now, I know how people love barbecue, but I have nowhere that I can do barbecue and it's cold outside anyway. So we are gonna make some honey barbecue chicken in the oven. So I just finished making my dry rub for my chicken. And I have my chicken here. I am going to show you how I'm going to prepare it. Now, the chicken, I had it in lime and salt because you have to clean the chicken. So I put it in lime and salt for a little bit and then I threw it off and it was sitting in my fridge till I was ready. So we are gonna start with that recipe now. And I will bring you all a little closer so that you can see exactly what I do. This is my chicken. And it is quite big actually. I don't like such a big chicken, but this is the only size they have. And yeah, it's quite big. So what I normally do is, oh, we have some liver and gizzards. And it's still cold. All right, it's just me here. So I am just probably gonna do half of the chicken. But I'm gonna season up all. And I normally cut off this part. I normally cut off the butt, clean off any feathers. And I am going to leave on the skin because the skin is what gonna make it very nice and juicy. Because it's gonna bake nicely. All right. And I do not get rid of this part. In Barbados, we ate every part of chicken. I see people like to get rid of this part and discard it, but I'm not doing that. What I will do is take off whatever excess fat. So I have at least one wing. The wing makes such a nice barbecue. So I am going to cut up my chicken. I just wanted to show you a thing. I'm going to cut up my chicken and then I'll be right back with you. Back. And now we are just going to prepare our stuff. This is just some green onions I have here. I'm just going to cut up some of these. Then I have some parsley and an onion there that I will cut up as well. But that's, I think that should be enough. All right, so this is the green onions and the parsley. Then I'll just cut up a little bit of onion. Then I'm gonna also put some sweet pepper with this. Gonna put some sweet pepper with that. Like, I think I can just do two. It's just me. I don't even know why doing so much chicken for. But these are my carrots, so I just do the carrots in like strips and put them to bake as well. You could put potato if you wanted, but I don't want any potato. English potato for it to bake as well. If my daughter was here, we'll put potato, but she's not here, so I'm just gonna put the carrot. These carrots are like super hard or something. And this is our chicken here, all clean and ready to go. But I'm gonna put some seasoning on it, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then I will be right back with you. So this is our dry rub. So we're gonna let this sit on the chicken for a little bit, and then we will be right back. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Right? Okay. You could put these things to just saute for a little bit if you wanted to, but I'm not gonna go through all that. I'm just putting them in my pan. So this is the pan that I'm gonna use. I already greased my pan so to get limited sticking, and I'm just gonna put the celery and the carrots to the bottom. Not using too much because celery is an acid thing. So I'm not going to use too much of that. Why is everything keeping noise? All right, so this is my stuffing, and then I'm just gonna put these to the bottom. That's it. You know. All right, so I have all my stuff to the bottom of the pan, and I let the chicken just stay for a little bit, and I'll be right back. All right, I am back. What I did, I put little slices in the legs and the thigh and things like that because they're pretty big. And you know, I worked at a drug rehab that used to raise chickens, and they said never let the chickens get so big because they always get hard. So I'm just putting this on top. Just putting these all. Oh, Ooh, that tastes so good. All right, so that is all done there. I'm gonna cover it. I already put the oven at 375. So I am gonna cover that with some foil, put it in the oven, and let it just do its thing. Little did I know, I do not have enough foil. All right, in the oven this goes. All right, so now we are gonna make our honey barbecue. I have the, this barbecue sauce is from Aldi's. So I am gonna put some in there, then put a little bit of tomato ketchup with it to stretch it. Then I have some molasses here. The molasses is gonna give our chicken a beautiful color. And it's also gonna taste very smoky, like if it was on the grill. So this is grandma's molasses. So, okay, I just wanted to make sure this was runny. Now this is some sweet anise pepper sauce. It's pepper sauce that I normally make, and this is a Bajan pepper sauce. So I put 2 teaspoons in it because that's also gonna give the chicken a very tangy flavor, like spicy flavor. And then, so last but not least, we are gonna put our honey in. And this honey is not as runny as the one that I normally get, but I didn't have any of the other one. So I am using what I have because this is a local honey from here where I am. So stir all those things together. Stir everything together, and we have our honey barbecue. So I'm just going to set this aside and wait for the chicken. Very nice. Very nice, very spicy. Is all done. Doesn't it look beautiful? Delicious? Well, I'm going to put it on the platter now. We just took it out of the oven, so it is really, really hot. But I will see if I can get it on the platter. I am gonna taste a piece of this chicken for you. It looks so delicious. What should I use? A leg or a thigh or a wing? All right, let's use the leg. See? It looks delicious. My mouth is watering. I just wanted you to see me cutting it. Now I switch the camera so that you can see me tasting it. Mm. This is so good. And it is like coming off the bone. It's not too, oh wow, this tastes really good. So that barbecue sauce was a hit. The barbecue sauce was a hit. Really, a hit. Thank you so much for joining me with this video. Thank you so much. It was well worth it because it's so delicious. So if you don't know me again, my name is Annie, and thank you so much for watching this video, and continue in everything you do, everywhere you go, just to spread the love. Let your light shine, and have an awesome, awesome rest of the week. And until I see you again next time, bye.